Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this pre-owned Chaparral that we just took in on trade. So this is a 2017 307 Chaparral. Lots to look at on this particular boat, being that it's a 30-footer. So obviously on the outside you can see it's got the black and we got the nice red. This is actually a little bit of a metal flake, metallic look, if you will. As an accent. And then we come to the back, got a beautiful swim platform back here, lots of space. This is a very soft material back here. We've also got some nice seating in the back to hang out. We do have shore power on this boat as well. And then we got some nice trim tabs on the side to keep that boat nice and balanced. And then we got the twin Volvos. These are 300 horsepower Volvo V8s. So they're going to have the twin props to help with control, and then you also have the joystick control on the interior. So lots to see on the interior. Come on aboard and let's take a look. All right, welcome aboard this 2017 Chaparral 307. So tons of space here in the cockpit. Bring as many people as you want. Nice wraparound seating all the way here. Storage under this seat and under this seat here, and then under this seat we got our carry-on cooler. Nice spot for it. It's not going to be sitting out in the middle of the floor. You got some cup holders. There's a place right here for your table, so when you're ready to entertain, put that table and everybody can kind of sit around it. Up on the tower, this is a fixed tower with the bimini attached, and they added the JL audio tower speakers, so get lots of nice sound coming out of the tower area. As we come into the boat, I can point out on the flooring, this is a snap in, snap out, woven style flooring, pretty easy to maintain. It dries fairly quickly as well, so that's a big plus. We got a little entertainment bar area, I would call it. Nice little sink. You got the little fridge right in here. You can put some stuff in there and a couple cup holders and maybe a place right here to cut up some cheese or whatever it is you're doing. I'll point out right here, you got the captain's chair and then a nice appointed head. This is a pump out head. Got a sink, got some storage, nice light in there as well. Up at the helm, we got a lot of stuff going on up here at the helm. We got the twin Volvos. Again, this is the 300 horsepower V8s. So you get your twin sticks right here, and then you do have joystick control. That really is helpful around docks and lifts and different things like that, being able to control a big boat like this, even on windy days, or make you look like a professional when you're parking. It's great. Up at the helm, we got a lot of different gauges in here. This boat comes with 70 hours on it, so not a ton of hours, which is great. You've got the Garmin touch screen right in here, and then just some more data, and then a lot of different controls in here. Anything from the lighting in the boat to your blower to your horn. There's a seat in the back that moves, and there's a switch here for that. So a lot going up here at the helm. And as we come up towards the front, being it's a 30-footer, we got plenty of space up in here. We got the cup holders. You got your wet sound speakers on this side. There is some more storage in the floor, along with storage in the floor on the back of the boat as well. You got your windlass anchor. You got control of the windlass anchor up here or at the helm. Storage underneath both of these seats on both sides. And then a nice little place that you can pull this out and you can walk and step out if you need to get on a dock or anything like that. So, and then obviously another nice feature up here is another table base, so you can put another table up in the bow if you'd like. So again, this 2017 Chaparral 307 that is here at our Rogers location. Pre-owned boat that is here. If you want to come take a look at it, just stop on by or call us and set up an appointment. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.